Garmin watch charging slowdowns are a common issue, especially in older models. The primary causes include dirty charging pins. Dust, debris, or corrosion on the watch's charging pins increases resistance. The primary causes include degraded battery health. Lithium-ion batteries lose capacity over time after many charge cycles. The primary causes include cable and adapter problems. Using non-genuine chargers can cause voltage mismatches. The primary causes include software glitches. Firmware bugs or corrupted data can limit charging speed. The primary causes include extreme temperatures. Very cold or hot conditions affect the watch's charging process. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing these issues to restore your watch's charging speed. The most frequent culprit is dirty charging pins. Over time, dust, debris, and corrosion accumulate on the watch's charging pins, increasing electrical resistance. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean the pins on the back of your Garmin watch. For stubborn residue, lightly dampen the cloth with isopropyl alcohol. Avoid using metal tools that could scratch the pins. Faulty cables and adapters can significantly impact charging speed on your Garmin watch. Always use the original Garmin cable and a 5V 1A adapter to ensure proper voltage delivery. Inspect the cable for fraying, bent connectors, or damage that could cause charging issues. Try a different USB port or adapter to rule out power source issues. Non-genuine chargers might not deliver the correct voltage, leading to slow or no charging. Lithium-ion batteries in Garmin watches degrade naturally over time due to repeated charging cycles. After 500 to 1,000 charge cycles, you can expect charging times to become noticeably longer as the battery loses efficiency. The Garmin Connect app provides valuable battery status information to help you monitor health. Avoid overcharging your watch, as this can accelerate battery degradation. Also, protect it from extreme temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius or above 40 degrees Celsius. If charging slowdowns persist after trying other fixes, consider having the battery replaced by a professional. Firmware bugs or corrupted data can interfere with your Garmin watch's charging speed. These software issues can limit power delivery and cause slowdowns. To fix this, ensure your Garmin watch is running the latest firmware. Connect your watch to Garmin Express on your computer or use the Garmin Connect app on your phone to check for and install updates. If charging issues continue after updating, perform a factory reset to restore default power management settings. Be aware that this will erase all your data, so back it up beforehand using the Garmin Connect app. Real-world case studies provide valuable insights into Garmin charging issues. The Forerunner 245 community on Reddit discovered that cleaning internal contacts, though voiding the warranty, restored charging speed in many cases. The Phoenix 7 Sapphire incident highlighted firmware conflicts causing charging issues, which Garmin addressed with a recall and improved app compatibility checks. These examples show that fixes range from simple cleaning to more complex software patches. Regularly clean the charging pins to prevent buildup. Store your watch in a cool, dry place, away from extreme temperatures. Use the correct charger and avoid overcharging. Monitor your watch's battery health through the Garmin Connect app. Addressing these factors proactively can significantly reduce charging-related problems. Garmin is moving towards faster charging technologies and improved battery longevity. Expect future models like the Phoenix 8 series to incorporate features like 10-watt wireless charging. Graphene-enhanced batteries are also being explored to reduce battery degradation. By 2030, AI-driven diagnostics are predicted to reduce charging slowdowns by 70% through predictive maintenance. However, e-waste concerns may push for modular designs, allowing users to easily replace batteries.